Hello. In this video, I will show you how to use the use one number to call all the pages which are different numbers. Now we can go to the setup, enter, and find the group code range. Press enter. You can see the number is from 1 to 9,999, which means only the pager number is in this range. When you call the 1249, all the pages will ring. Now let's check. You can see this number is 6. This pager number is 10. This pager number is 8. Now we press 1, 2, 4, 9. This is a group code number which will make all the pages ring. Press send. Now you can see all 3 pages has respond. You can press this one to cancel or put it back to the base to cancel the code. Okay, that's it. If you change the range group from 6 to 9,000, we can see. I will change it to 6 to 9,000. Enter. Let's go back. Check again. 1, 2, 4, 9. Send. As the numbers are in the range, so all the pages are ring. Let's change it to another one. To 10 to 9,000. Okay. Go back. Now you can see all the pages still ring. That's because you need to pair the pager ID again after you set the functions. So please make sure you set the functions first and then pair with the pager ID. That way it will work. So if you pair the pager ID first and then use the other functions, it will not work. So please make sure you set functions first and then pair the pager ID. And that is this function. By the way, you can see you can turn off the pager by press this key. Long press for a few seconds. Okay, you can see this. And also you can turn off the pager by press 40, and it will turn off all the pagers on the charging base. And if you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. Thank you.